Speaking of getting in trouble with insurance or in trouble with driving an automobile, if you happen to be somebody that has a hard time keeping insurance, and you get dropped and you're having a hard time finding a new carrier, what ends up happening is you may get referred over to what we call the Texas Automobile Insurance Plan Association, TAIPA. This is made up of 15 committee members of all the admitted insurers that sell automobile insurance within the state. The association is going to assign every member in there on an assigned risk pool basis in a pro rata share to equal to the business that they already have in the state. So say, for example, company Y has a 22% market share. They're going to take 22% of the TAIPA drivers in the state as well. Now, one thing to note here is that you have to be rejected at least twice to qualify for the plan, and the insured is not probably going to like the rates, but this will allow them to stay legal and continue to have insurance while operating the motor vehicle in the state. The next one we're going to talk about here is the Property and Casualty Insurance Guarantee Association. The important thing to note here is this protects Texas claimants and policyholders from the insurance company's insolvency, right? So if these insurance companies somehow go out of business, this allows for a mechanism for all the rest of the insurance companies, which are going to be all the admitted carriers within the state, to make up for the losses that would occur from those insurance companies going out of business. Now, one important thing to note here is that you have to be a Texas resident to be able to claim under the Guarantee Association. If you're a Louisiana resident that happens to have Texas property, you just cannot, unfortunately, make a claim in this program. This is made up of a 9-member board that is appointed by the governor for a 6-year term. 5 come from the insurance industry and 4 come from the general public. They set up 3 separate accounts to pay out the claims for these situations. So the full amount will be paid in the case of any workers' compensation claims, up to $25,000 for any unearned premiums, and in those cases where the insurer goes